Do you like things hot? I mean like real hot, like a summer day, or a cup of coffee, or John Stamos. Well, as much as you or I may love hot things, your truck doesn't. Notoriously high exhaust temperatures from the 6.4 liter engine commonly cause its exhaust manifolds to fail. The excessive heat warps and cracks manifolds, which leads to engine performance loss and poor running. But do not sweat, we have a solution. Grab a cold drink and let me tell you how BD's 6.4 liter manifolds are built to take the heat. BD's new 2008 to 2010 Super Duty 6.4 liter Powerstroke exhaust manifolds are a strong and durable upgrade to the failure-prone OEM manifolds. These are made from thicker-walled, high-silicone ductile cast iron and are able to withstand the excessive heat from the 6.4 liter engine. The manifold features gasket-matched ports designed to maximize exhaust flow and are built to improve flow efficiency while eliminating exhaust leaks. BD's 6.4 liter manifolds are a great option to replace on your aging vehicle or an easy additional upgrade when installing a turbo. These manifolds are also available in our 6.4 liter exhaust manifold and uppipe kit as a money-saving option for your truck. Check out this manifold and many of the other awesome products available on our website. Stay cool and head over to bddiesel.com for more info.